Hey Autofiber team, do you love our flip series but you hate streaky windshields? Well, I have a perfect towel for you and it's the Double Glass Flip. Come check it out. Alright, you just saw us using the Reacher kit, which fits perfectly in the Double Glass Flip because it has this little pocket. Now the pocket is great for the Reacher kit, but it's also great for your hand if you want to use your hand as almost like a mitt. And the Double Glass Flip is great because it has a twisted pile side and a traditional waffle weave side, and as product gets oversaturated, you can just flip it inside and out to keep your towel clean and dry, which is the key to streak-free windshields. Now we're going to use the twisted pile side to clean the window with American Detailer Garage Breeze, and then we're going to do a final wipe with the waffle weave side, and it's going to eliminate these remaining streaks that you see here. And you can see why the Double Glass Flip from Autofiber is a great choice for cleaning your windows streak-free.